This is room 2101. This is the base level room here at Excellence Riviera Cancun. It is a junior suite, pool, or spa view. When you first walk in, the bathroom with double sinks, the toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion. There's also toothpaste and toothbrush. There is a hair dryer in here as well. Toilet area, large shower, a jetted tub. This room has a king-size bed. You can also get double beds. It's just a request. Sitting area. Balcony with a little day bed and some table and chairs and a nice view of the lazy river. A desk, TV, and in this room we have Merlot, tequila, Smirnoff vodka, and Captain Morgan rum. Coffee maker, Sabritas, water, and in the mini bar there is a variety of things, and these are all restocked daily. And if you don't like something, you can leave a note and they will just replenish the things that you like extra of. For instance, I like a lot of water, so I would request extra water. The fridge snacks are always so good. And in the closet, there is a steamer and a safe. Also a scale. And in here, there's robes and slippers. Plenty of space. And if you need more hangers, you can just ask the concierge for more. There's no need to bring any from home. And lastly, there is a hidden box. So if you request room service or extra pillows, blankets, hangers, and you don't feel like seeing anyone, you can just tell them to put them in the box. So this is the basic room here, which it really is not too basic. It's pretty nice. If you are interested in booking with a travel agent, I would be happy to help you. You could reach out to me on my website at memoriesandmojitos.com.